Hey there, I'm Anthony, co-founder of Adni, the AI-powered super app for healthcare workers. We've brought everything healthcare workers need into one app, making it easier and cheaper for employers to hire and onboard empowered healthcare talent. Let's dive into how Adni works, starting with the clinician view of the platform. Healthcare workers use Adni for a few core reasons. First is to engage with their peers in our community. Healthcare workers can chat with verified healthcare workers anonymously. They can attend our in-person events for healthcare workers across the country and even build a universal profile featured in our healthcare worker network. These profiles include the clinician's work history, education, credentials, bio, and more. Next, healthcare workers use Adney to find high-paying healthcare jobs, including permanent jobs, travel contracts, per diem roles, and even side hustles. We have over 100,000 jobs to choose from, and healthcare workers use our Get Matched algorithm to match with jobs faster. Next, we have a reward system, which rewards healthcare workers with points when they complete certain tasks, like updating their resume, reaching a work anniversary milestone, applying to a job on Adney, and more. They can use these points to shop in the Adney marketplace, which is kind of like an Amazon for healthcare workers. We have over 10,000 products and services that healthcare workers need and love, like scrubs, continuing education, and yes, of course, even coffee. Lastly, we have a hub of free resources for healthcare workers, such as salary comparison tools, pay calculators, facility reviews, a translator, and more, all with the goal of helping healthcare workers feel supported at the bedside and beyond. Now, the first way that we work with healthcare organizations like hospitals and healthcare staffing agencies is as a top of funnel candidate acquisition partner, helping these organizations reach, attract, and hire really empowered healthcare workers faster and cheaper than any traditional job board or labor marketplace. The second way that we work with these organizations is we actually white label our software so that healthcare organizations can launch their own talent community to better engage and support their own candidates and active healthcare workers. These white labeled talent communities include an exclusive forum, all of Annie's events, a team directory, a job board featuring just the organization's jobs, candidate referral system where all clinicians have a unique referral code that they can share with their friends to help grow talent pipelines, an embedded reward system that's fully automated and can distribute reward points to healthcare workers for specific tasks, again, like uploading their resume, applying to a job, starting a job, reaching a work anniversary, their birthday, and more. And they can use those points in the Adney marketplace to shop for organization branded merch that we power and all of the products that we have. And lastly, there's a one-stop shop hub featuring all of Adney's tools, as well as the organization's HR links. Think things like benefits, dental insurance, life insurance, vision, medical, and more, all streamlined in one place for easy access for healthcare workers. And lastly, there's a credential wallet where healthcare workers can store all of their documents, upload their BLS, candidate referrals, skills checklists, and more, all with the goal of helping healthcare organizations improve that time to hire and onboarding. The last way that healthcare organizations partner with Adney to better recruit and retain healthcare workers is through our marketing content. So all of Adney's clients actually get a folder of content that we update every single month. And this is content created from Adney's team of nurse content creators. These are real nurses, real healthcare workers that create content for partners that they can use to grow their following on social media and brand awareness. And this is actually one of our favorite ways to help support our clients because we really believe social media is such a powerful tool to grow healthcare worker talent databases. Evidenced by, our own community of 150,000 nurses and allied healthcare workers has primarily come from social media. All of Adney's customers get access to our Adney admin portal where they can track all of their candidates and ROI of the platform. They can edit their organization profile on Adney. They can see their referrals, which clinicians have actually created referrals for the organization, and really track ROI and some metrics here. On our recruit page, they have an ATS, which tracks their clinicians that they've gotten to apply on Adney. They can give reward points to these candidates. They can see their interests, preferences, career goals, and fun facts, all of their information and all of the documents they've uploaded. They can even write a note about the candidate and assign the candidate a recruiter. On the recruit page, they can also update their jobs, and Adney has several ATS integrations live with Bullhorn, LaborEdge, Sembler, CTM, and more to help sync that job and candidate data in real time. Our Engage page is Really twofold. First, it's to allow recruiters to send notifications to clinicians in Adni's database. You can filter Adni's database by profession, specialty, and state. So let's just say I'm a recruiter looking to hire a registered nurse in a critical care role, and I'm looking for a California state license. The Adni system will show me what clinicians on Adni meet this criteria. I can simply click the candidate, and then I can send them a note, one reward point, and the job ID or URL. That candidate will receive a notification that looks something like this, that basically notifies them that, a recruiter from the organization has sent them reward points and a job. And then in that message, we encourage the recruiter to list their contact information so that candidate can reach out to you directly. We also have recurring automations for engagement, specifically for email and SMS and push notifications that really help to win back the clinicians, get them engaged in your white labeled platform, and help them feel supported. And we do offer reports for all of our engagements, such as the number of notifications that have been sent and from who at your organization, so that you can track, how many recruiters or team members are actually leveraging this tool. And lastly, on the retention page, you can automate the distribution of those reward points for specific milestones, like when someone starts a new travel contract, when someone starts a new job, reaches a work anniversary milestone, or even when it's their birthday. And now, reward points are a really powerful engine to win back candidates in your stale talent database, because you can actually give out these points to any clinician in your database, but the points by default are only redeemable by active clinicians, and Adni only charges you for points once they're redeemed by a clinician. So if you give, 20,000 nurses a birthday message that are just sitting in your database, you get, 100 of them to start working for you actively, and then only 50% of them actually use their points. You'd only be paying for the points given to those 50 nurses that actually redeemed their points. And happy to schedule a call with you at Adni.ai to explain that further. But point being, points is a really fun way to re-engage stale talent while making healthcare workers feel supported by your organization. So overall, our mission at Adni is really to help healthcare workers excel at the bedside and beyond. We want to give them the tools, community, and support through our all-in-one super app to help them excel, to help them stay at jobs longer, and to help them feel empowered throughout their career. This benefits employers because it helps you recruit, engage, and retain these clinicians really on autopilot with Adni's technology and white label talent engagement software. So I hope you enjoyed that demo of Adni. Feel free to reach out to us at Adni.ai if you'd like to speak to discuss how Adni can support you and your recruiting needs. And thank you so much. We look forward to speaking with you soon.